आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहणार आहोत फाइल डायलॉग, the one of the concept from the advanced Java programming. Okay, now file dialog is a create dialog control through which user can specify the file location. Now file dialog control already we have used many times in Windows. Like this is a file dialog control that we are going to see on the screen. Okay, now this type of file dialog control is there through which we can select any specific file or specific directory, and we can open that particular file from that directory. Okay, so this dialog control we can create in Java with the help of the class. That name of class is file dialog. What is the name of class? File dialog. Now there are two types of file dialog, modal and modeless. Now modal, that means what? When that file dialog is active, at that time we cannot access other part of Windows. This is called as a modal dialog box. And modeless means what? When the file dialog box is active, we can access other parts of Windows. Then it is called as a modeless file dialog. Modal and modeless. In modeless we can access other part of window, and in modal we cannot access. In modeless we can access, and in modal we cannot access. Okay. Now constructor. Now there are a lot of constructor in file dialog. Let us see first three main constructor. That are first constructor is file dialog, having parameter frame parent. Okay. Now this constructor will create file dialog which is by default modeless and without title, no title parameter. So it don't have title, and it have parent window specified as a parameter. Now file dialog is always a child window of any parent window. Now that parent window is a frame whose object is specified as a parameter here. Now second constructor, that is a file dialog, having two parameters. The first parameter is a parent window, and the second parameter is a title that will appear into the title bar. And third file dialog, which is having same constructor as a same parameter as a second constructor, having additional parameter, that is int mode. Now first constructor will first parameter is a parent object of parent window, that is frame. The second parameter specifies the name which appear into the title bar, and the third parameter specifies the type of file dialog. Now there are two types of file dialog, modal and modeless. Now if the parameter is here file dialog dot modal, then that file dialog is a modal, and if the parameter is file dialog dot modeless, then file dialog is a modeless. Okay, these are the constructor. Now let us see the methods. Now there are many methods. The first two important methods, there are get file. Now this method will return the currently selected file. Now when we are choosing any file, that name of file is written by the method get file, and the get directory. Now that file is present into the specific directory. Now that name of directory is written by using the method get directory. Now here syntax is get directory having parameter return type string. Here also return type string. So these are the two main methods, get file and get directory. Now let us see the example. We have written very simple example. Now we have defined a class file demo. In this class we have extends frame class, imported java.awt package because frame class is present in the awt package. Also we have defined one class file dialog that is also present into the java.awt package. Okay, now constructor file demo. Inside the constructor there are three methods we have used. Set size 500, that is a width and height of frame. Set visible true, so that frame will become visible, and set title file dialog demo. Now this name is appear into the title bar of the frame. Now here fd is equal to new file dialog, this comma inside the double quote open. Now here we have used the second constructor. Now it is a first parameter is a object of parent window, that is a frame. Now we are we are writing this statement into the same constructor, so that we have fetching the same object, so that we have written this keyword. This keyword is used for accessing the object of same class, so that we have written here keyword this, and the open. Now open this a title bar. In the title bar this name will appear, and we are making set visible true method, so that file dialog will be visible. Now inside the main method we are creating the object new file demo opening closing rounded bracket. Now here file demo object is created. When we run this program, we are getting such type of output. So let us see the execution. We have written this program here. We have saved this program using the name file demo.java. Now let us run this program on the command prompt. Now let us write javac file demo.java. Now it's taking time. Okay, compiled successfully. Now let us run the program java file demo. Okay. So see here, file dialog demo, it is a name, title bar is appear, and open is given for the file dialog constructor, that will appear here. Now here we can select any specific file through this file dialog. Okay. So let us, I hope that you understand this concept. So I hope that everybody understand, and you should write this all the topic and send me the notes of this topic as early as possible. Okay.